Hi, my name is Norman from the Mr. Norm Show. Today, we're in Prattsville, New York, and the entire town was swept away by flash floods. So FEMA is here, and the New York State Emergency Office is here, and let's just go take a walk down the street here. This entire town was underwater by about 20 feet. We got the National Guard here and everything, and today we're just being relief workers. We're volunteers. Okay, so follow me, come on. Everything is mud. All the roads, all the houses, everything is mud. I've never seen a total devastation like this in my life. I've only seen it on TV. Now this is the real deal. This is an example of a climate change, and climate change causes flash floods, earthquakes, hurricanes, tornadoes. This town was taken away by a flash flood. The people from all around New England and the National Guard and FEMA is here to help these people rebuild and clean up. This is an example of what a flash flood can do. If you lived here, you're now in the rebuilding phase of your life. The entire town is closed off to the rest of the world. The only way to get in is if you're a volunteer worker. Everything here is just incredible. I've never seen the devastation, but everybody is helping each other. That's what life is all about. One lesson to learn here is have plenty of food and water or supply, and have an emergency escape route. Nobody in this town died. There were very little injuries. So everybody worked together and everybody got out in time as this entire town was underwater. Follow me. Taking donations of food, water, any kind of supplies, gloves, anything that has to do with emergency service. So for those of you who see this devastation, make sure you're prepared in case something like this ever happens to you or you. Everybody has to walk around with masks because there's a lot of mold inside of every single building here. So if you go inside of a building, you have to have a mask on to protect yourself from disease and bacteria and mold spores and stuff like that. This entire town is in a rebuilding effort. We're in a giant, this is called an agway right here, right?
I think so.
So this agway was totally underwater, and they had to take everything out of it. Total rebuilding, completely rebuilding. Come walk with me a minute here, I want to show you. Have you ever seen anything like this? This is cars, trains, planes, automobiles. Everything got swept down the river. And the only thing that stops it is a tree or a telephone pole. This entire place was underground where I'm standing. 20 feet where I'm standing. That's way up. There's wires down everywhere. It's just total devastation. The river or somewhere is way in there. Almost looks like a hurricane went through here. But a hurricane did come through here. But it was the flash floods that ravaged the town, not the wind or the rain. But the rain does cause flash floods. Well, this is Norman Nadeau from Project Feeds and the Mr. Norm Show, and I wanted to share with you today the effects of climate change and how a entire town, could be swept away by a flash flood. Have a good day.